Alright. So the next thing is derived quantities. Derived quantity. So what is a derived quantity? The quantity which depends on other quantities for its representation. Alright. So how do you find out area of a rectangle? Tell me. Length into breadth. For square it is length square, right? So even if you are doing length into breadth, length का dimension भी L होता है और breadth का dimension भी L होता है. कोई difference है? दोनों ही तो length measure कर रहे हैं ना? एक side का length, दूसरा side का length, right? So इसीलिए area को जब हम लोग represent कर रहे हैं, तब हम लोग लिख रहे हैं length into length. तो dimension wise हम लोग को लिखना चाहिए L into L. So हम लोग को मालूम है जब भी हम लोग स्केलर क्वांटिटीज मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो क्या हो जाता है L square, right? So question ये रहा कि dimension फिर क्या है? What is dimension? The dimension is this column, this index. Okay. So what is dimension? Dimension is the index of the fundamental quantities which represent the derived quantity. Derived quantity को represent करने के लिए fundamental quantity को कितना power में raise करना? How much power did we raise the fundamental quantity? That is called the dimension. So that's. So make you write. You know, like area is L square. Then is fast. Volume. Volume का क्या होगा? बताओ. Volume कैसे निकालते हैं हम लोग? Length into breadth into height. So length into breadth into height लिखे हैं. लेकिन मैंने यहाँ पर सारा length into लिखा. Why? All of them are length of some quantity. कोई एक चीज का length ही है ना. तो इसीलिए length into length है. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? L cube, right? So the next thing is density. So how do you define density? It is mass by volume, right? The mass, the dimension is the fundamental quantity. Volume, the dimension is L cube. Shall we write it like this? M by L cube. Answer. क्या लगता है? ये वाला चीज है
ml power minus.
हाँ, क्यों ml to the power minus 3 क्यों? Why? Because हम लोग डिनोमिनेटर में कोई चीज डायमेंशन में नहीं करते. सारे सब नंबर को, सारा अल्फाबेट को we have to keep it in the numerator. So, of course you can write it as a intermediate thing. इसमें wrong नहीं है कुछ. But then finally you have to write this. ml to the power minus 3. Alright? So same thing happens with speed or velocity. Speed or velocity. इसका क्या हो जाएगा तो? It is distance by time. So distance is length by time. So it will be L e to the power minus 1. Acceleration का क्या होगा? Acceleration will be velocity by time. तो velocity का ऑलरेडी निकला है L e to the power minus 1 divided by t होगा. So it will be L e to the power minus 2. समझ आ रहा है? सरली को समझ आ रहा है? Acceleration with force. What is force? Force का क्या होगा जल्दी समझा? Force is mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. So mass is m, acceleration is L e to the power minus 2. Alright? Pressure, you know what is pressure? Pressure क्या बोले? Remember, pressure is very important. Pressure is not force by area. Pressure is thrust by area. So what is the difference between thrust and force? Can anyone tell me? What is the difference between thrust and force? Thrust और force में difference क्या है? क्यों जानना? See, very simple, very simple. It's not necessary that you need to know everything. Obviously, we are asking questions. If you know it, you need to answer. As simple as that. Thrust is perpendicular force. Means if a force acts perpendicular to a surface, then you name it as thrust. Alright? So thrust is same as force ml to the power minus 2, and area is L square. So divided by L square. क्या आ जाएगा? ml to the power e to the power minus 2. बिल्कुल सारा चीज समझ में आया? समझ में आया? Alright, so now you know a bit of quantities. अच्छा और कुछ quantity बना लेते हैं. जैसे energy. Energy का क्या होगा? Energy और watt दोनों का सेम होता है energy. Watt, what is watt? Force into displacement, right? Force into displacement. Then force is the dimension. What is the dimension of force? We have already found out m l to the power minus 2 into displacement is l. So it will be ml square into the power minus 2. Alright? Clear? So now, what can you make out from the way we did the things? For knowing the dimension of a derived quantity, formula पता होना जरूरी. If you know a formula, any formula related to that quantity, वो quantity से related अगर कोई भी formula हम लोग को पता है, so we can use that formula and put all the unknown quantities and उसमें से जो quantity मालूम नहीं है, all the known quantities, sorry, जो quantity नहीं है, मालूम नहीं है, वो वहाँ से निकल जाएगा. Sorry. ठीक है. जैसे देखो यहाँ पर क्या किया? Thrust का area कर दिया. Thrust का मालूम है, area का मालूम है, डाल दिया values, dimensions, तो dimension निकल गया. अच्छा ये समझ में आया कि वो L by L square a to the power minus 1 हुआ. ये समझ में आया. Indices, simple indices. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Right? Clear? So in this way you can find out many more quantities, these derived quantities. You know there are many derived quantities. So I try to put up a list in the group of different derived quantities. ताकि तुम लोग जब sums solve करो तब वो easy हो जाए sums solve करना. ठीक है? You can take a look from those derived quantities. अब